This video is brought to you by Gunpla SA, South Africa's favorite place for Gunpla, related tools, supplies, resources, community and so much more. Check out gunplasa.com.
Hey, shh, Balfour. We're here in the natural habitat of the model builder. Come with me. Go in.
Thanks, Screech, by the way. Thank you for it.
And there we have it, a pride of model builders. They don't know we're here. They're going about their normal lives. We're going to go around here behind the tree. You can see that all of their heads are down. This is a natural position for a model builder. They are obviously working on something. Let's get a little closer. It looks like they have snacks. The tribe leader may have brought them snacks to keep them pacified. They also have peculiar little dishes. They keep little plastic pieces. It's weird, but they do it. Let's try not to startle them. This one has built an aeroplane. And he is also building a robot. It seems to be one from a popular anime called Gundam. He's got a sharp object in his hand, so we don't want to stop him. There we go. Here is actual... Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, he hasn't noticed me. There you can see a box full of plastic things. What happens to these plastic things?
Okay, Paul, are we going to do this the entire video or what? What's going on? Sounds kind of cool.
Hey guys, welcome to the second BuildMeet of 2023.
2023.
Bro, we're in the future, my guy. As you can see, we got tons of people. We got tons more. We even have to bring out
full
a
house
new...
this time, right?
Yep. Yep.
So the youngs for the next generation.
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, Screech, I think let's go around and just
And look at everybody. I want to put a little bit of attention quickly on this Zero Fighter because I think it's beautiful. Really, really
Yeah, so this is
introduce this.
okay. So I'm Christu. Recently I've been building models for about, I think it was 4 years now.
Hello, Christu.
Mainly model aircraft, and recently got into Gundam and Gunpla.
So what do you think about Gunpla compared to conventional other type of models?
It builds a lot quicker because you don't have to paint. Whereas the least amount of steps you can really move without having to paint on a kit is about 2, maybe 3 if you're really lucky. Whereas if you're snap building, it's...
I mean, I feel like it's less pressure to like... Because with other model kits, you really have to paint it up and everything just to...
Yes, but it's also a lot more therapeutic to just... Because if it's just snap building, it's...
And then you have a cool toy to play with afterwards as well. Let's not mess around. Oh, we've got... Oh, look, I'm on the camera again. And then also... So let's bring it up to space. Stussy across the universe. Can't help it.
He's building a space type.
Yes.
Put never space type.
Yes.
Dark
Quarter
purple.
party space type.
This is what I got so far. I really like the whole face mask thing going on with the eye.
It's
really cool.
I love the color scheme.
It's so mean. That color scheme is sexy.
I like it. Yeah, I'm actually happy I got this one instead of the white ones. Yeah.
He's also got a space waifu as well in the form of Mercury from the new Witch from Mercury series.
And the aerial to match.
Exactly.
Some hand swapping there.
Cool, but yeah, and picked up
Big one as well. Yeah.
Which one did you get?
The riser.
Double riser. Oh, sweet, man.
Nice, man.
Lots of pink.
Can I take it? Are you going to enter both competitions? Eh?
I'll try. I'll see how it goes.
No, why not? No pressure. I think to enter. Awesome, sweet. And then yeah, we've got new builders. Yeah, do you want to introduce yourself? You can even plug your business and all that. Yeah.
It's Despina from Sparkle Cotton Dream, and we've got little Bahati and Justin, and it's our first build meet, and we're really enjoying ourselves. We're building Metal Garurumon, the figure-rise Metal Garurumon.
Oh, the champions.
Sure.
Cool. Doggo. Or is it a wolf? Yeah. Doggo. Lekker
And
doggo.
we have our head and like part of our torso going here, so we're quite excited.
Awesome.
Yes, thank you.
You want to mention your little anime bitches?
Yes, I said
Yeah,
it's Sparkle Cotton
Like-
Dream,
like-
so we do plushies and Ita bags and some pop-up parade figures, so yeah, thank you, go check it out.
How do people find you?
You can find me on Instagram and Facebook at Sparkle Cotton Dream or on our website sparklecottondream.co.za.
Awesome. Yeah, I'll put your link in
Thank
our
you.
video description as well. Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Thank you.
Next. Beefy.
Beefosaurus Rex.
So guys, it's Beefy here. Just still working.
There we go.
What's up guys, Beefy here. I'm still building my master grade Zaku. I got it in December.
Busy on the drumstick.
I know. It's so beefy, so delicious, just like yours truly.
Now you just gotta deep fry.
Gosh.
Yeah.
But now I had to
Don't
restart
hold
the
back,
leg
bro.
again.
Don't let them steal your shine.
Exactly. Had to restart the leg again, but it's alright.
Yeah, that's
Show it off.
Like,
Show it off.
yo,
Get some close-up shots. Yeah. How did you like the spring with the tubes?
It's a bit frustrating. It's cool, but it's frustrating trying to fit it in.
But now bend the leg. Have you bent the
yeah, I
leg
have.
and then
I
just
have.
moves
It's
with
looking
it?
so
it's
good.
I just feel like Jeff and I are the only people who don't hate that. Also, we're so like, nice.
It's like
Everybody's like,
I love this. Oh man.
so nice. It's like drinking coffee. It's like doesn't taste too good, but the end result is like. But that does look.
and
so
hashtag coffee doesn't taste good. Hashtag controversial topic.
Yeah, I love this kit. That's why I've got 3 of them. Cool. Yeah. Next. Scrooge. Yeah, I suppose we can quickly. Yeah. So Scrooge, you can just talk behind the camera while maybe you want to show. Yeah. What is? Damn, that's a lot of stickers.
Yeah, it's a lot of color correction.
Your favorites.
I hate that shit. I hate that. I want to go rock climb.
Not too far from the truth.
Digimon's the best.
So this is the kit that he's building.
Hell yeah.
What's it? The Super
Galaxy Gurren Lagann.
Yeah, awesome. How much progress have you made?
I've only cut out the pieces for the body.
Okay. So you're not snap building as
No,
you're going along.
I'm preparing it for the stream.
Okay, cool, awesome. Oh yeah, you did ask in the poll what your next build is. Sure, it's a glossy finish here. That's cool.
Yeah, very glossy. And the manual's all in color and everything.
Yeah, Bandai. You're cheaping out on like printer ink, eh? Oh, that's so cool.
They just call it eco-friendly.
Yeah. Cool. Next. Yeah. Who we got here?
The director of the For the Lols page, current director, Cuser. Currently building the Evil Premium Bandai Savanya.
Evil premium.
Evil Premium Bandai Savanya. Yes, and what else do you guys want to know? Ask me some questions. Of course, I love Double O.
Why?
You know, so a lot of people say they hate the movie, but I love the movie.
There we go. Now we know something
come
about.
on, it's aliens. It's not far-fetched from
Spoiler alert.
Gundam. It's not like Naruto. Everything's now aliens. It's not like that, at least.
I heard that the other day. I was like, really? Ninja aliens? I'm like, I'm
Just
done with
imagine,
that.
eh?
That's
So if anything happens, now we blame it on aliens.
totally.
Yeah, blame it on aliens.
Just like real life.
Yeah, blame it on. Hey. Okay, now let's check.
So, Kuzo, what we know about you is that you like Sabanya, you have bad
Yes.
taste in movies, and
Oh, wow,
you're
yeah.
scared of aliens.
Yes.
I'm joking, man. I also like the movie. I thought it was good. Awakening of the Trailblazer.
Yes, yes.
Dude, the stickers on this are actually not bad. Eh?
It's too many stickers. I hate stickers.
There's too many. You should get a Gundam marker.
You should hate
Not to be like, not to be Captain Salesman here, but it's just more fun with the markers.
I hate stickers.
It's, you'll turn this hate into a love. You'll be like, oh, detail paint, yay! Gundam markers, winning. Anyway, guys, super cool kits, eh?
Yeah. From
And it's
Gunpla
fun.
Ultra.
So, sweet. And now we on to Big Spender. I mean,
Oh wow! Wow! Well, listen, this is gonna be here for a while. Yeah, I have my my problem. This is my problem child. These are actually not for me, they're for two of my friends and my former
Yeah,
friends.
sure.
No, legitimately, I got them for my friends.
I also buy Pokemon kits for my friend.
And then I got my Esposito Alpha that I asked Jeff and Paul to kindly get me in. Not that I just like begged them constantly, please get it in for me.
I may have seen a message from you. I love this thing's arm. Like
Dude,
that shield.
the shield is so nice. This is why I wanted this one over the beta, because this entire setup over here just makes
beta
it.
like transforms into a space.
It does need wings.
Transformation of the.
Yeah, I had it transform now. I just forgot to. I just undid the transformation.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
The mecha looks very cool.
Yeah, the mechas.
Print this.
Yeah, I 3D printed that. That's a runner holder.
Yeah, I love it.
It's really nice. Yeah. Hi, I'm Prashiv, by the way. On the same name.
Did you design this?
No, I got it from Thingiverse. It's there's a couple of Gunpla runner stands that's actually freely available.
Sorry, mind if I
Yeah.
like your runners?
I must say though, there is I feel like the gaps are. It's just not good enough. So you do have to leave a gap.
Yeah.
You have to leave a gap there.
Some pieces might be too big. I see.
So I'm planning on reprinting it, finding a slightly different model, and then once I find a good model, I'll send it through on the Discord. So yeah,
It's got a
guys.
great head as well.
Yeah, it does. It really does.
The Esposito beta's head is also very cool, but I like the little wingy thingies here.
Yeah, the wings and also like this lovely blue on it. It just contrasts so nicely, and I can't wait for the air fighter in white to come, because that's going to be the wings of this. Yeah.
Okay, well there you have it, guys. Competition.
I'm Prashiv, and I have a problem.
It's okay. We are not here to help. We're here to encourage.
But you're not into this.
No. This isn't for competition. That's a
Yeah, just keep all the things. Don't worry, your bag is safe.
Oh, dude, I love the seal nova.
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, guys, introduce yourself.
You guys feel okay with being on the
You know, we prefer to be behind it, so we'll be in front of it today. I'm Ivana, or Izzy.
I'm Eldon, or just Eldon.
So what have you guys got today?
Today we've built a fresh from the womb baby Seal Nova, about to undergo its
Rite of passage.
also known as puberty, for the upcoming competition. We have great things in store for the child.
I'm very excited.
Yeah, you're gonna open the door to that thing, and it's just you're gonna hear metal blasting out the road. You're gonna see all kinds of like posters from like Metal Hammer. Is that still a magazine? And you're gonna see all of those on the wall. It's gonna be great.
Yeah, totally.
Cool. Shot, guys. Yeah, and thank you to coming to the BuildMeet.
Happy
Hi,
to be
thanks for
here.
having us.
Hello, my name is Paul, Mr. Asnable on the website. I'm on the Discord. I'm so old, I call it a website every time. I am building a miniature Zeta. Yes, it's very small. I find it challenging because I can't see so good. It's great. Yes, that's its penis.
Wait, that's
No,
part
that's
of
a piece
pig,
of
yeah?
runner, you fool.
Yeah. Why is it there?
I kept it there so I can hold it. I like to grab things like that right there before I paint them. Yes, that's generally what she said. Yes. Anyway, thank you, gentlemen.
Cool.
Have a fantastic day.
I'm also building a Gundam artifact, just like Paul. But yeah, this is the Goof Custom. Well, no, shit, I keep saying Goof Custom. Goof Light type. And yeah, I've got the rare fluorescent pink mold here.
And he's gonna butcher it.
It's super pink. Now look at that.
Yeah. I mean, oh, look at that.
Yeah, so it's my first time building one of these like tiny little model kits, and yeah, I gotta say, I love it and I kind of hate it. It's very finicky, yeah. But yeah.
Yeah, I saw you struggling with it earlier.
Yeah.
Tweezers are encouraged.
Yeah, exactly. Even
Also what she said.
Cool, sweet, let's go. And Cassie, you're not building anything?
I'm not building anything.
Yeah,
She's
but
my-
she's sketching.
Just drawing.
Yeah.
Procreate.
Yeah, girlfriend support.
Yes.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, the next we've got Eva and So what you guys building here? Banshee and what's it? Reiki. Oh, and Pokemon.
Mimikyu Man.
Oh, I thought that's
And I'm also working on the Reiki pad. So I managed to get the legs finished today. And then I'm gonna work on the waist.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
For your 30-minute missions,
And then yeah, just go next.
Don't think of arms and legs as arms.
There we are.
Hello, everybody.
Regular.
They are just things.
Hentai boy.
Oh, Mike.
Together.
No one cares about real names.
Oh, I've got an arm. I can't put it together.
So I've got Warcraft here today.
Make it work.
The anime accurate
Limit yourself.
Yeah, which I've actually done quite well for BuildMeet. Usually I'm pretty slow and get like a leg done. So I've gotten most of the kit.
Yeah, I got it very
Because you're not applying the stickers.
Sort of. These stickers suck, dude. Like, really, I'm not a fan.
Yeah, at Gunpla say we hate stickers.
Well, not our stickers.
I think Screech.
Not these stickers, no.
Yeah, foil stickers.
The kit stickers, I don't know, these ones, dude. Like, they all have to wrap around the parts, dude. Like, it's weird.
Yeah, it's very weird.
No, I'm gonna paint those bits instead.
Let's see that.
Hey, I got the shiny.
Got the birthday special edition and already applied it. Very nice. Now moving on.
25.
What's it? Jack Doga.
Yep.
Jish. Got it today and then already
Already finished it.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Yeah, actually.
And especially I love the mono eye.
Okay, and I've got a voice and everything for us to get up.
Super cool. Is it a mono eye?
It is a mono eye.
Oh shit, and then it's got like a slit down the middle to separate it. That's really cool.
Yep.
Look at our intern hard at work.
Oh wow.
Good job, Screechy. Keep
Yeah, I left me and now I have to
Keep going. No, keep going. Doing great job.
Hello?
Hello.
Let's see.
I am holding the sexy legs of the sexy Virgin Mother.
It is a very, very cool kit.
And apparently he's throwing gang signs.
Oh, there's the gang signs. Thank you, Paul.
Can I separate my bliss stuff from my...
And then, as mentioned earlier, I really like the paint job for the sarcophagus that you did.
Oh, it didn't come like that.
No. It's it comes fully gold.
Curry gold.
Damn.
Yeah. I didn't say free gold.
Well, they're different things.
And then, last but not least,
Hello, I am Pieboy. I'm the number one unicorn Gundam stan. Don't look at this. This isn't Gundam. I'm not cheating. Anyway, it's not. This isn't unicorn. Okay. Paul, Jeff, please get me my unicorn RG. When's it gonna be reissued? You need to speak to Bandai, please.
We would also like to know. Yeah.
where's the unicorn? So what are you building today?
Right now, Gundam Extra with that sexy green plastic. Loving that. Yeah, this is gonna take me like probably the next 3 weeks to properly finish. Just snap building for now.
I mean, you've got it very far in a few hours.
Yeah, that's super impressive, dude.
Thanks.
And it's cool how there's no stickers for that green. It's just
Yeah, I
straight
know.
off
It's ooh.
Sticker detection. Sticker. Anyway.
Thank you,
Jeff, we gotta get out of here.
Yeah. So,
come on, Jeff.
So yeah, we've got a full house today. Where are we going? Where are we going?
We got the only food. We made them angry.
Oh, we're actually leaving here. Okay. Cool.
Wait, come back. Absolutely the worst Australian accent I've ever done. Cubes, cocoa wafers. But yeah, that was great.
Cool,
Jeff.
yeah. Thank you,
dude.
Yeah, it's really. I just want to say thank you to the Build Force again. Thank you for coming. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, it's like a full house this time, eh?
Yeah.
You know, we even got Lindsay on the stream.
I'm gonna be lame and just gonna. Can you give me a keep building joy on 3?
Yeah.
Okay, let me zoom out to a bit. Wait, where's the best way to get it?
Oh my god, intern, get your shit together. Okay, 2, 3. Keep building joy. Yay, that was super real.
All right, thank you guys. Until next time. Bye.
Transition.